Hey, it's Mike with Search Engine Ranking Rules. Dominate your niche. Today, we're gonna take a look at internal link architecture and navigation, as well as a little bit on SEFs to help us improve a targeted page, right? In this case, it's going to be a karate class page on our demo site, tkadojo.com. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at how we use other pages of the website to improve and move up that specific page in the search engines. Now, this is just internal architecture. Third-party links pointing to us, as we know, are important, but we're not going to talk about that today. Today is only about using internal architecture to improve your search engine optimization related to a very specific page. So this concept is called hub and spoke. It's kind of like a bicycle tire. A bicycle tire has a hub, that's our target, the hub, and then we have spokes coming into it. And in this case, the spokes are going to be blog posts or other pages on the website that are primarily created to have keyword density and relevance, but to point to this hub page. That's what's important, right? So hub and spoke, internal link architecture strategy. Let's go take a look. Okay, so we're over on the demo site. It's actually a live site, but the site we're using to demo our illustration, and it's TKA Dojo. And the internal page that we want to give a little more boost to is the karate classes page. Now, this has some basic information. It's targeting and it's SEO, Dallas karate classes, Plano karate classes. We're going to try and focus a little bit on both with one blog post. So this is our hub page that we want to work on getting links to. Internally, of course. External third-party links, of course, we want more links, but using our internal architecture, we're going to try to increase the keyword relevancy with backlinks internally. So it's a pretty simple process. So all you need to do is go over to your blog and create a new blog post. In our case, we've already done this, and the blog post is titled Karate Classes, Plano and Dallas. So on this page, we have a custom video, which is good from a YouTube point of view. So YouTube is third-party linking to this page, but the page itself, obviously we already have the top-level navigation pointing to it. That's standard, but we're now going to use the content of the page itself to drive a little more keyword density and relevancy. Right here, it says interested in martial arts, schedule your first karate class today. And this particular link right here is going to this page. So this is only one of the spokes, right, for the hub. We want to continue to make more pages. And of course, let's go back to the blog post itself. The more content we can add to this specific page, it will be good. We could add some more photos, we could add a little more information, a little more details about the day and time that this event took place, this video took place. So this page isn't so lightweight. It's a little thin, we know that, acknowledge that. But the idea is to be making more blog posts and then internally down in the text itself, be linking to the target hub page. And once you get some dominance in your search engine optimization and the search results for a particular term, move on to the next one, right? So now we could get more granular. We could do another top level page or even a blog post itself called just Plano karate classes, etc., and build that out. And if they open a new location, let's say in DFW, same thing. We could add it to the top level service page, karate classes, or we might make a whole new page, but then we use blog posts, etc., to drive more internal page links to that specific hub. So that is the concept of content marketing, hub, spoke and hub, internal linking, if you will. One other thing I want to talk about in the navigation is your top level links and so forth. We could have just said up here, karate class, or just classes, right? Well, that's not as keyword dense as karate classes that we're targeting. Additionally, if you look at the SEF, the search engine friendly URL, we called it karate-classes because that's the specific phrase that we're targeting on this page and what we want to rank in the search engines. So a lot of SEO is just being cognizant and aware of what you're trying to do and think about how Google's thinking about your website and how they're analyzing it. So I could have just called it classes, but instead I called it karate classes. So good SEO is thinking about these things. And a lot of web designers, awesome web designers, but they just don't think about the website from an SEO point of view. And your job as an SEO pro, even if you're just doing it for yourself, is to be thinking about how Google thinks about your page and try to help them out. All right then, so that is how we implement a hub-spoke strategy to increase the ranking of a very specific page on the website. Now, I've used this tactic numerous times. I use it even today with my current clients, etc. It works, but you have to commit to it. You have to make that effort. If you just make a couple little silly blog posts and think that's going to be enough, it's not. You got to put the time and the effort into making good content and building out that hub-spoke strategy. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you've got a topic you want me to cover, leave a comment below or hit me up on the website or on the Facebook page, etc. My name's Mike with Search Engine Ranking Rules. Dominate your niche.